Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Today's video is going to be something quite cool. Can you remember back a couple of months ago now that I reviewed a Combaterwing gaming keyboard? Yeah, it rings a bell? Well, I was contacted by the creator of the keyboard themselves, Combaterwing, and I was asked to review the version 2 of this keyboard. Don't know what the difference is or anything like that, so I've literally got it here for us to take a look at. So without further ado, let's get on. So it does come with obviously the no fuss packaging. I have been told that it does come with the mechanical blue switches again, so that's awesome because I love the mechanical blue switches. So straight off, it's just literally, it just looks the same. Look, I'll give you a look. It literally looks and packaged exactly the same. So I wonder what they've done to it. Oh, okay. So there's the difference. So I lifted the keyboard out. Okay, so in here we have now replaceable switches. So there's 1, 2, there's 4 in there. There's a screwdriver, so you can, and some screws you can put on the rest plate here, which is quite smart. And you have the key removal tool. So awesome, that's quite cool. It didn't allow you to change the switches out the last time. So let's take this bit out. Get rid of that, Olivia can play with that. Okay, so looking at the back, it looks exactly the same. It's got the clear plastic on, as you can see there. Just trying to move it out the light so you don't get blinded. But it has the same clear plastic on as the first keyboard. What does it sound like? It sounds more clicky. It does. So here's the back of the key. Looks quite smart. So let's take these off. The switches are actually a clone. So let's just take them off. You can have a look here. Just trying to get it to focus for you. As you can see, they're just a clone, but to be honest, they feel really, really nice. They actually do feel really, really good. So looking at the keyboard itself, it aesthetically, it looks exactly the same. Absolutely exactly the same. Weight wise, it feels a little bit heavier, I'm not gonna lie. So it's got to be somewhere else. Let's plug it in. Whoa! Okay, so there's the difference, guys. It doesn't just have static lines of colours. This thing has multiple colours. Look at this. So it has loads of different modes. So we have this one. That is really cool. Let's try this one. That's quite funky, I like that. So they've... Whoa! Wow! That is... Honestly, guys, sitting here, the colours are so vibrant. Obviously, I've reviewed quite a few keyboards now. I've even had my hands on a Black Widow Chroma, and this thing, the colours are so much more vibrant. It is incredible. So let's try this one. What does this one do? Absolutely nothing, it just says static. And this one? Oh, that's the activation one. That's actually quite nice. So guys, there we have it. It's exactly the same. We've talked about the weight. It's literally just feels a little bit heavier. It's exactly the same sort of build quality, apart from the switches. They feel a little better and have like an extra click sound to them, and you get crazy lighting effects, and boy are they really cool. And yes, they are super bright and vibrant. So there we have it, guys, the Combaterwing mechanical keyboard version 2. Happy days. Obviously, if you want to go and buy this product, the link will be in the description below, so feel free to go down there and have a look and buy it if you so wish. And thank you very much for coming today. Unfortunately, that's all we have time for. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Not a problem. If you're new to the channel, why not subscribe for more cool content just like this one. So until next time, my friends, I've been Jezy. You've been awesome. Bye. Go. Go on. Oh, it pulses as well. Oh, gaming mode, that's sick. So the arrows and the WASD light up. Wow, that's rather cool.